In this video, we are going to install Mercylion hidden Wi-Fi dashcam. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Your hidden Wi-Fi dashcam. Camera records at 2560 by 1600 pixels with a field of view of 143 degrees. Once mounted, your camera is still adjustable. On the top side, we have your 3M adhesive tape, which mounts to your windshield. On the right side, you have your TF card slot, which supports up to 512 gigabytes. On the bottom, you have your unlock and lock, along with air vents and your speaker. On the left side, here we have your indicator light, followed by your reset button. Here we have your power button, short press to start and stop recording, long press 2 to 3 seconds to turn on and off Wi-Fi, and long press for 5 seconds to turn off device. Next, we have your camera button, short press to snap a photo, long press 2 to 3 seconds to lock a video recording, long press for 5 seconds to turn off speaker, long press for 15 seconds to reset your device. And right below that is your microphone. Connected is your cable to your power supply. Here we have 2 attachments to your main camera. They are labeled inside right and left. We have your OBD power cable, your pry tool, and a couple of cable management clips, a static sheet, and a 64 gig memory card, and of course your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and install these extenders. Remember, they are labeled left and right. We're gonna go ahead and just slide it in just like that. These here are adjustable depending on the size of your windshield. And we're gonna go ahead and connect the right side. This is so that you can hide your wiring. Now you just want to go ahead and test fit. Let's go ahead and slide it on through. This is how it's gonna look. Then we go ahead and extend this so we can hide the wire. Now that we got the fitting, we're gonna go ahead and peel off the adhesive tape and stick it on. Here it is, all stuck in place. Side view, there's how it looks on the top. There's the bottom and the other side. So here it is, you plug it into your OBD2 port. Normally you'll route the wires under here and hide it to the trim. Go up the pillar and into here. I did not do that just because it's raining right now, but it's a simple step. You're going to go ahead and hide it in the trim up here, then tuck it in with your pry tool. Then we just go ahead and plug the harness together. So here we have your settings menu. You can go to Wi-Fi. You can change your Wi-Fi password. You have your camera resolution. We're going to leave it at the highest 2K. You can turn your audio on and off. You have WDR, which is wide dynamic range, which records better at night. You can have your date stamp on or off. That leaves your dates on your videos. You have loop recording. You have a selection of 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. You can set your G sensor to, you can turn that off, low or medium or high. Your parking monitor sensor, that's if it detects any bumps while parking. You can turn that off, low, medium, or high. You can format your SD card and reset the device if needed. We're going to go ahead and go back. You have your live view up on top here, and all your recorded videos are on your album. This is where you can download any video that's needed. Go ahead and go back. You have your live view up on top here. There it is. The video is at a slant right now just because I'm on a slant as well. And when you're ready to download a video, go ahead and long press the video, and you can check mark which you want to download or delete. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.